Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a simple picture description challenge. First, just look at this picture for about 10 seconds. Then I'll describe it in my own words. Ready? Let's look. This picture shows a happy classroom. There is a big green board on the wall with the word English written in purple. There are drawings of pencil, papers and a book on the board too. In the classroom, there is a teacher wearing a purple dress. She is holding a book and talking to 3 students sitting at their desks. The students are looking at the teacher like they are learning something new. On the left side of the classroom, there is a blue shelf. It has books and a globe on it. On the right side, there is a clock on the wall. There is a plant on a stand. There is also a pink backpack on the floor next to one of the students. The walls of the classroom are yellow. There is a desk which has a laptop, books, papers and a cup with pencils on it. It looks like everyone is having a fun time learning English. And that's my take on this picture. But I want to hear from you now. Describe something you saw that I didn't mention in the comments below. If you enjoyed this quick challenge, hit that like button and subscribe for more visual brain teasers. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep observing the world around you.